Welcome to our channel Thrive in Canada. Today we will discuss PNP in short, which will give basic but precise overview. What is PNP? PNP stands for Provincial Nominee Program, designed for immigrants to settle in Canada as a permanent resident. When a person's CRS is low, many suggest to apply for PNP. You'll get an invite. It's not a cakewalk. PNP takes time. First you get an NOI, and once that nomination gets done, you fall into the regular pool of applicants and get into express entry again. Mostly takes 1 year or more depending on the province. Here are some simple explanations for PNP. More info. Check the requirements on the PNP website. Saskatchewan, SINP. Currently the most possible one to apply if you do not have job offer or connection to the province. It's still open. Apply directly on the website for your expression of interest submission. Your NOC must be in their occupation in demand. Eligibility criteria for SINP are as follows. You must be accepted into the CIC Express Entry Pool and have a profile number as well as a job seeker validation code. Your Canadian Express Entry profile must also be up to date and accurate. You must have completed education or training at a post-secondary level for at least 1 year that lead to a diploma, certificate, degree, or verifiable equivalent. You must have a score of 60 out of 100 points or higher under the PNP Saskatchewan assessment grid. Alberta. You do not need to apply directly. The province sends you a notification of interest to your Express Entry profile. They pick directly from Express Entry Pool. Preference is given to those having a close connection to the province. But at times even regular applicants get an NOI. You may receive a notification of interest letter if you have an active Express Entry profile in the Federal Express Entry Pool. Your primary occupation in your Federal Express Entry profile is an occupation that supports Alberta's economic development and diversification. You have stated an interest in immigrating permanently to Alberta. You have a minimum comprehensive ranking system score of 300. British Columbia. Job offer is mandatory to get an NOI. Those who graduated from schools in BC can apply here without an offer under PNP. Nova Scotia. Depending on the category. Category A remains open, but you need job offer and express entry profile to apply. Category B, you do not need job offer or connection to the province. One can be applied via express entry profile and your NOC must be in demand. When will this open? Is totally unpredictable. Stay tuned on the NSNP website. New Brunswick. Hide and seek PNP. Opens and closes for receiving applications throughout the year. Generally, if you know French or have job offer or connection to the province, just be ready to submit your EOI profile all the time. They also have an option to submit without job offer or connection, but you must stay updates on their information session that they organize throughout the year in several parts of the world. This stream opens 1 or 2 times a year. Prince Edward Island. You need express entry profile. Just submit EOI from their website. Either job offer is needed at times if it's the category you wish to apply under. Regular PNP. The NOI goes to people already living on the provinces. Ontario. Apply via express entry. No need of job offer or connection to the province. If lucky, they notify you in your express entry profile if you seem to be fit for their province. The common CRS selected this year were from 460 and above. Manitoba. It's tricky. There is no point in applying unless you have any relative or friend or a job offer in Manitoba. Newfoundland. By default, not everyone's choice. But you need express entry profile and job offer. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Do click like button, share and subscribe our channel to learn more about Canada immigration process and facts.